massive coils of high-grade steel arrive, the foundation of a machine built to dominate every terrain.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. The chassis frame is reinforced, engineered for durability, off-road strength, and long-term resilience. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, achishai every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Transmission systems are assembled and calibrated. Robotic torque tools ensure exact fastening. The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Power refined, translated into seamless motion. Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality. Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature. Doors, hood, and tailgate are attached, perfectly aligned with precision robotics.
advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. Infotainment systems are embedded, delivering connectivity and control.
The alignment is perfect, well within tolerance.
Yes, the diagnostics confirm a pass on all parameters. Great work.
As you can see, the seamless design is perfectly complemented by the obsidian black paint.
It's absolutely breathtaking.